Okay, come here.
I'm ready.
Wait. Hold on. Okay, Reen, come here too. Okay, hey, hold on. So what do you have to say to Grandpa?
Grandpa, I love you.
Yeah, and?
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Maybe you want to say, Grandpa, I can't wait to see you and come to Florida.
I can't wait to see you in Florida.
Oh.
I can't wait to see you in Florida. I love you.
Oh, is there maybe a short song you want to sing? Like, Here Comes the Sun, or what?
Here comes the sun. Here comes the sun. Do, 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 do. Here comes the sun. And I said, it's a... Daddy, I want you to help me.
You're doing great. You don't need my help.
Little darling, it makes me feel the ice is slowly melting.
Good, Reen.
I'm gonna help you.
It's a nice video. Okay, it's a nice thing for Grandpa. Grandpa gets so happy when he sees videos of you. He misses you a lot, right? You miss Grandpa?
What did you say?
Do you miss Grandpa? Oh, I was just telling her about Grandma. Aviva, okay, girls, you want to say maybe bye-bye to Grandpa? It can't be too long a video or it won't download.
Bye-bye, Grandpa. Bye-bye, Grandpa.
Rena, he can't see you. He can't see you there. Get in front of the camera and say it. Stand up and get in front of the camera.
I want to see. Grandpa, goodbye. I love you.
And hope everything's going okay.
I hope everything's going okay.
Okay.
I want to see Daddy.
Okay. Bye, girls. Bye.
Bye.